What's going on, guys? gdwarrior here, and look what I got in today. A nice Avon 250 tire. It's the AV72 model. This will be a nice little unboxing. It's still wrapped, as you can see, and yeah, let's get to work and let's check out what this baby is. It's the AV72 model, like I said, and let's unpack this thingy. Oh yeah, check out that smell. All I can smell is new tire smell. Unfortunately, it's not a new car smell this time. It's a new tire smell, which I prefer even more. And oh my god, look at that. It looks beautiful. Look at that pattern. That's what Avon tires are known for, not only for the good performance but also for their amazing stylish thread pattern. And look at these. I don't know if you can see this, but here's a Cobra in there. Here's another one. Also, like the sidewalls right here looks like almost like snakeskin. It's pretty cool. I will be replacing my Metzeler Marathon tire. It's a 260. Now this one is a 250. So I got Kyle's setup, so the wheel is widened. It's a 9-inch wheel. So this actually will look wider than the Metzeler itself, the 260 on this tire. This one is also a little harder than the Metzeler. Metzeler is pretty soft. The Metzeler only lasted me what, 4,000 or 5,000 miles, and that's it. These are supposed to last much longer, so I'm very excited to see you know, how the rideability will be, and hopefully it will be better than on the Metzeler. I'm gonna have to add the front tire to it too. I only ordered the rear for now, but let me check the date on these tires. As you can see, it's tubeless. It says Avon 72 250 40 VR18, and somewhere it's the manufacturer's thing. I ordered these tires at JP Cycles, and they won't sell. I only paid $188, free shipping, and that's tax in, and pretty good deal. So let's find that manufacturer's date. Let's see, where is it? Oh, there it is. So it was produced in the 3rd week of 2018. So it's a new tire. You know, you got to be careful, because sometimes when you order from online stores, they keep them on their shelves for years, and then you get a fucking tire from 2001 or so. So let's go check out my Metzeler tire and compare them side by side. I'll walk you guys to the garage. Oh my god, look at her. She's so beautiful. I always fall in love when I look at my bike. Anyways, alright, so here we have both tires side by side. Oh my god, I really like this tread pattern. I like it more than the Metzeler. Looks more aggressive. And if you look at them, the Metzeler is not much wider, right? Here, let's check this out. See, they're not much wider. They're almost the same. Here is one more time. Like I said, the Metzeler, I mean, I still maybe have a few more miles on that thingy, but it's not worth it, because as you guys know, I got a bunch of performance on the bike, and I'm just sliding back and forth when I hit the throttle, especially if the roads are wet, even just a little bit, you know, my back breaks out. So I hope the Avon Cobra will do a good job, which I hear is supposed to be great in the rain. The reason why I didn't go with the Dunlop Elite 3 is just because I hear that it's shitty in the rain, and you guys know Florida right here, it rains a lot. So yeah, I love this pattern. and as you guys can see, there's not much difference in size, I mean in wideness. Here one more time, and I'm pretty curious how it's gonna look like on the rim. I got Kyle's setup. It's a 9-inch rim, and I will also do a follow-up video here on how to take it off, the whole setup, and another follow-up video with a review about how the rideability is on that bike. If this video was useful to you, hit the like and subscribe button, and spread the word, show it to your friends, and thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned, GD Warrior.